Building a Shopify store is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, create a Shopify account by going to the Shopify website and signing up for a free trial. Choose a plan that suits your business needs, and fill out the required information to set up your account. Next, add a store name, address, and other relevant details to your account. This information will be used to set up your store and process payments. Choose a theme for your store from the Shopify theme store, and customize it to match your brand. You can also add your own logo, change colors and fonts, and add a favicon to your store. After setting up your store, add products by going to the Products section and clicking on Add Product. Enter the product title, description, price, and other relevant details. You can also add images and variants to your products. Organize your products into collections to make it easy for customers to find what they are looking for. Set up payment and shipping options by going to the Settings section of your store. Choose a payment gateway, such as PayPal or credit cards, and set up shipping rates and options. You can also set up tax rates and calculate shipping costs based on location. To make your store visible to customers, set up a domain name by going to the Domains section of your store. You can purchase a domain name from Shopify or connect an existing one. Finally, launch your store by clicking on the Launch button in the Settings section. Your store is now live and ready to accept orders. To drive traffic to your store, use marketing strategies such as social media advertising, email marketing, and search engine optimization. Use Shopify apps to add functionality to your store, such as product reviews and loyalty programs. Monitor your store's performance using Shopify Analytics, and make adjustments to optimize sales and growth.